Welcome back. Katars are the 5th least played weapon in the game and they can do combos like this. So today we're going to be stomping some experimentals with the fastest Katars player in the game. I actually can't remember who that is, but we're going to jump straight back into the game. Right, so we're in our first game against Joker Ding. And he's playing Battle Boots and Gauntlets, which is a horrible combo to face. But it's fine because we've got Katars. As you can see from the many hits, it's an easy matchup for me. Wow, that character's annoying, honestly. Right guys, this isn't going to be a fun one, but we're going to have to power through it. That made the noise at the hit, come on. Come on, that should fit. Alright, so I think I need to stay off the stage a bit with Battle Boots. And that seems to be the consensus. Whoa! Lagging? What's going on? Right, nice. Oh, almost. Let's take the first life of him. There we go. And he left. See guys, just that easy. To lock in for one stock. Wait, what? See that? The bot just emoted on me. So we're in our next game against Albaka. I need Kaya. Default skin should be an easy win, like I say. Katars, it's the way forwards, guys, honestly. I would try the little AFK shot on me. Cheeky that. Oh. Start off on an early lead. I'd like to see. Not anymore. Ah. Yeah, so Katars are all about kind of predicting where your opponents are going. Like, you can't just go straight into the infinite because they'll just dodge out of it. You sort of need to... You can go into the infinite, but you kind of need to predict their read first. Like, do a side light into a down light, and then if you catch them from there, then you can go into an infinite or... Oh! Blaster play is kind of insane, man. Here we go, disarms. Gonna fall for that. Oh, close. He's on 3 lives, when did I... Where I call this go. There we go. People don't expect that Sig, man. People don't expect... It only works once, though. After that, it depends what rank you are, but oh, we've got the moves on now. What we're talking about? That's gonna hit, and he's dead. Oh no, he's not. See, only works once. Right, we're in our last game again today against Nikot. Don't know what that's called, but we're against Petra. Well, at least it's not a Lance player, that's all I can say. Lance players are a scourge, honestly. I fought about 6 yesterday, it's just not fun, man. Like, it's such a massive weapon. You can't, like, do anything against it. Sweeping her up with some neutrals. We're going with a real combo. Nah. Thing is, that Sig that she just did so hard to punish. As I say that, I did punish it, but it's lucky, man. Alright, calm down. Who plays orb? That's the question I have. It's just not a good weapon. I mean, it's an alright weapon, but it's just so boring. think I've mained about every weapon in the game, or just never been picked up. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. All you need with Katars is one moment where you go into flow state and they're dead. Maybe we can get another here. Why did I jump? I don't think people understand the neutral light just sets up, man. It sets up for combos, you know. Watch this. It's a problem. That's a problem. I might be dead here, you know. I might be dead here. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's deep place. So if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.